yes friends. My name is Edmund. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for South Asia for Fujitsu PC Asia. It's great to be back in Malaysia again. We were here actually 3 months ago where we did a sneak preview of our 2012 series of live books to our partners, and we weren't ready to share that to media yet, but today we want to formally announce our new products. So if you allow me, I'm just going to go through some products, some 12 products, but I'll make it snappy, alright, so that we can have food very soon. Okay, let's see. Right, so this is the agenda for today. I'm going to talk to you about what is new for Fujitsu in 2012. We have a new design philosophy, and it's really quite an interesting story how this comes about. I'll share that with you. Then I'll share with our 2012 spring product lineup. Following which, we also want to showcase the options and accessories that Fujitsu has and what makes it different from our competitors. So let me go into the 2012 design philosophy. Fujitsu has a long reputation in the market as a very established quality products. We are well trusted by corporate companies, by education institute, even by end users. But there is no consistency with you in terms of the design wise. So in 2011 actually, January of 2011, Fujitsu HQ gathered a team of designers from all over the world to create a unified message for Fujitsu. We want to create a team that is easily recognizable and fits in line with Fujitsu's brand image. So we came up with this team. It's called Takumi. For those of you who recognize this kanji word, it's called jia, which basically means craftsman. Alright. As you know, Japanese products are very famous for their Japan is very famous for its handcrafted products. Even small things like chopsticks, they have master craftsmen for chopsticks. Right? And what deems these people as master craftsmen? The very simple thing, consistency in terms of quality. Right? I always give the example that a master craftsman, when they make a pair of chopsticks, the first pair of chopsticks they make in the morning and the last pair that they make in the evening is all consistently good in terms of quality, in terms of its attention to details. That's what we want to return to for Fujitsu in terms of our brands. Alright, we want to project that consistency in terms of quality. So we chose this team, Takumi, and Takumi is based on 4 design elements. Alright, I'll go through them individually, but just bear with me for a while. The first thing is the Infinity Mark logo. This has already been implemented in all our products. We have 2 range of products, by the way. The made in Japan as well as the made in China products. And you will see that it will be very consistent with the Fujitsu Infinity logo as well as the Fujitsu logo on the A cover of the laptop. But what will distinguish us, not just when the laptop is closed, but when the laptop is open. Because most of the time, if we look into the IT malls today, if every laptop is open, it's actually quite hard to distinguish between different brands. Sure, there are iconic designs, right? Especially today with the Ultrabooks, the designs are really quite unique and special. So Fujitsu wants to create a different type of design that is easily recognizable by our customers. We call this the F-line design. The F-line design is basically just a slant curve next to the arrow key. It's a very, very simple design language, but one that will easily distinguish Fujitsu products from the rest of the competitors. As you can see from the consumer and corporate models, it's very distinct in terms of its alignment. Okay, you can see that in all our products as well. This is visible from all the made in Japan and made in China product. A consistency in terms of design, easily recognizable. This is Fujitsu's design language. One new thing that we introduced last year in 2011 with the first Takumi laptop, the SH771, we introduced this thing called the Natural Fit Dichromatic Keyboard. It's quite a long name for a marketing name, but let me explain to you. Natural fit in terms of the shape of the keys. It's slightly curved. It's meant to fit your fingers so that you get a more comfortable and enjoyable type of typing experience. The next thing is in terms of the molding of each individual keys. Alright, the keys itself has two colors. It's usually black or white on top with a different color. That's what the magician was trying to show you just now, with blue, with pink, and with green. It's part of the dichromatic key color scheme. Alright, this is not a painted on type of colors. If you would allow me to give you a very simple example, internally we call this the Kueh Lapis keyboard. Kueh Lapis because you make one layer first, then the other layer, or like an agar-agar. You make one colored layer first and then a different colored layer. That means that whatever the colored part is actually consistent throughout. These colors will not fade, but these are not luminous, so this is pure aesthetic. Alright, we were the first to launch this. I understand one of my competitors just launched it for their new products this season. So this is the natural fit dichromatic keyboards from Fujitsu. We also have some shared design elements such as icons of USB slots, of HDMI, etc. on your keyboard itself. So you do not need to look sideways or look backwards just to find where each of your ports are. Alright, it's conveniently located for you with where the icons are. And finally, a more well-rounded profile. Less sharp, more well-rounded, more suitable for consumers. That is, in summary, the external part of consistency that we try to achieve with Takumi. Internally wise, we also have made some improvements within the laptops. We have included some new software that we would think will... The first group of laptops I want to introduce to you are corporate laptops. Fujitsu is very famous and very established in the corporate arena. That's because we have a full range of corporate products for our customers. The first product I want to introduce to you is the P772. This is basically a 12-inch business laptop. The main feature for this particular model is that it has a very small form factor. It's a 12-inch laptop on an 11-inch footprint. So meaning to say, we are actually compressing a lot of the motherboard, the screen technologies and everything into a very small form factor. But despite the small size, it's actually very powerful. It runs all the way up to an i7 processor. It has a very long battery life. It's close to 8 to 9 hours. And it's very strong and durable because it's made of magnesium alloy. When it is able to withstand a 200 kg force of weight on the laptop itself. So theoretically, I can stand on the laptop and it will not crack, which is quite a feat because I'm quite fat. Okay, so this is the Livebook P772 running on the full standard voltage Intel processor. It also features corporate level security with vPro, TPM, and our RF fingerprint sensor. We have the unique Fujitsu interface with the multi-touchpad, a scroll wheel, which is unique to Fujitsu, and our own technology, the RF fingerprint sensor. We have incorporated the F-line design as well into the P772. We can see that the model is taking the product. We have a removable modular bay drive. This is something that is quite unique to Fujitsu, our removable modular bay drive. It allows additional functionality to the laptops. You can take off the DVD drive if you're not using it. You can replace it with a weight saver, thus dropping the weight of the laptop as well as increasing battery life because the DVD drive actually uses up battery. Or you could put in a second battery to prolong your battery life to about 14 to 15 hours, actual usage, not standby time. Okay. We also have a very interesting accessory for you today. It's called a bay projector. So what it does is, it fits into where the DVD drive is. It projects the image of your laptop. So you can do a presentation anywhere without the need of a full-scale projector. So that's for our business laptops with a removable modular bay drive. Shortcut keys, with this very interesting shortcut key. It has a battery icon right here. We introduced this last year. We call this the battery check buttons. Alright, so what it does is, even if your laptop is switched off, you just need to press the buttons. The indicator light here will light up in 3 different colors, and depending on the color, it will tell you how much battery you have left in your laptop. So green meaning very healthy, amber meaning okay, red is near depleted, and if you're going out for a meeting with no PowerPoint, please charge your laptop. So this is a feature that we have put in our made in Japan products, right? The battery check buttons. port replicator support for the 12-inch P772. And one of the things that was mentioned during the Magic Show just now was the dust filter. This is a Fujitsu patented technology. Dust filter is basically a piece of something like an aircon filter. It prevents dust from gathering at the heat vents. Instead, it will gather at this piece here. So you can remove it, wash it, and then put it back in again, making maintenance of the laptop easy. That's the advantage of the made in Japan Fujitsu products. And lastly, of course, HD brand cap on this particular model. So this is the P772, the 12-inch corporate models.
デザインの言葉だとフォルム、フローズ、ファンクション、少し意味合いは違いますが、日本の言葉だと量の美という言葉があります。富士通は匠デザインコンセプトに基づき、美しさと使いやすさを追求した最新デザインのノート PC を開発しています。フルフラットのアクリルパネルで覆われた液晶画面は画面の美しさ、高級感を演出するとともに表面の拭き取りやすさを、細かな柄の立体印刷を施されたアームレストは質感の向上と合わせ指紋のつきにくさを考慮しています。またキーボード側面にボディカラーと合わせた色を配色したサイドカラーキーボードはアクセントカラーとして装置を彩るとともにキーを際立たせ、お客様からキーが見えやすくなる効果を持っています。さらにお客様がタイプしやすいようにわずかに角度をつけたステップレイアウトやキートップを球面にすることで指のフィット感を高め、ディッシュシェイプキーを採用するなどキーボード入力のしやすさにもこだわりました。カラーバリエーションも使う喜びを引き出すデザイン要素の一つです。機能性と美しさを備えたデザイン開発を私たちはこれからもこだわり続けていきます。
性能や機能だけでなく使いやすさやエコまで考慮すること、これが富士通のものづくりであり、メイドインジャパンならではのこだわりです。今回は美しさとハイスペックを兼ね備えたエンターテインメント PC ライトブック LH772 の例として説明します。美しいフルフラットパネルを備えた14インチワイドアクションと音響ブランドスピーカー BTS オーディオソリューション、さらに高性能グラフィックアクセラレーターの搭載によりメールを快適にハイクオリティに視聴することができます。また PC を素早く起動できるクイックスタートやスマートフォンとのデータ連携を簡単に行えるデータエクスチェンジユーティリティなど、お客様に便利に快適に PC をご利用いただけるソフトウェアを多数サポートしています。さらに利用環境に合わせて画面の輝度を自動的に変更するエコファンクションやカメラが自動的に利用者を認識し、使用していない際に画面を消すフェイスセンスユーティリティも搭載しており、省エネにも配慮しています。私たちはこれからもメイドインジャパンのこだわりでお客様に喜ばれるものづくりを続けていきます。
Fujitsu, shipping tomorrow with you.
Huh? Yeah, of course.
Then I checked that back at